friends, today we learn about the energy pyramid. Before that, we just revise the trophic level. Already we see the trophic level. Each level in food chain called as a trophic level. Trophic level is a step at which organisms obtain its food. The matter and energy gradually decreases from producer, that is lowest level, to the consumers, that is higher level. Here producer prepare their own food, and in that food energy is stored. That energy in the form of food transfer to the next trophic level, that is herbivores, then next trophic level, that is carnivores, and lastly the top consumers, that is omnivores. Energy transfer in each level in a food chain. The energy exchange different at the different level. The initial quantity of energy decreases here, and that is why the number of organisms also decreases from lower level to the higher level. The energy transfer from lower level to higher level decreases in a quantity. If this energy transfer we try to show in a particular pattern, then we have a figure like as a pyramid. That is, we say energy pyramid. I just show you here, that is energy pyramid. The energy in the form of food transfer from producer to the higher consumer, and here the initial quantity of energy decreases. We try to show you that decreasing of energy in a particular pattern, and we have the figure, that is a pyramid. So we also call as a energy pyramid. This concept about the ecological pyramid first proposed by British scientist Charles Elton. So this pyramid also called as a Eltonian pyramid. Okay, friends, after the death of apex consumer, the energy is available to the decomposers. Fungi and microorganisms which are present in an ecosystem are the decomposer. These microorganisms and fungi obtain their food from these dead animals. That is why called decomposers. In the process of obtaining the food from that dead remains, they get the energy, but that dead body is converted into simple compound form. The nutrients which are in the simple compound form mix into the soil, air and water. Means the nutrients which are deposited in the organism, body of the organism, in this way return to the ecosystem. Now you will see that because of food web and various types of mode of nutritions, the energy and nutrient circulate in ecosystem. Friends, lastly we discuss about the energy flow in an ecosystem is a one way. Why it is one way? Just try to understand. Producers taking energy from the sun and to prepare their own food. Here plants deposit the energy which is taking from the sun in the form of food. Then that energy transfer from producer to consumers. But that energy not totally transfer from one trophic level to other trophic level. That is gradually decreases. Lastly, the energy from higher consumers to decomposers. Decomposers taking the energy from dead animals and the amount of energy not return to the sun. Means the energy which is taking from the sun not ever return to the sun. That is why we can say that the energy flow is one way in an ecosystem. Thank you.